Discover what full service broking can do for you with Sharekhan.
Hello everyone, hope you are healthy and safe. Welcome to Sharekhan Podcast IPO Flash. On our radar, today is a new IPO, Sona BLW Precision Forgings. Kindly note this is an informational piece on IPO which is based on the RHP filed by the company with SEBI and not a recommendation. Sona BLW Precision Forging Limited or SBPF was incorporated in 1995 as Sona Okigawa Precision Forging Limited at New Delhi. This company is involved in designing, manufacturing and supplying highly engineered mission-critical automotive system. Basically, this company manufactures and supplies critical auto components to auto companies world over. SBPF manufactures components such as differential assemblies, differential gears, conventionals, micro-hybrid starter motors, PSG systems, EV traction motors, and motor control units to automotive OEMs. This is supplied across US, Europe, India, and China for both electrified and non-electrified powertrain segments. According to the Ricardo report, their global market share of BEV differential assemblies in calendar year 2020 was 8.7%. The company also is one of the leading supplier of BLDC, that is brushless DC motors, in India. The company is also a leading player in electric vehicle domain manufacturing complex and critical components. It is also one of the two largest exporters of starter motors from India and among the top 10 global starter motor supplier in 2020. SBPF's product offering span all type of electrified powertrains. The company has 9 manufacturing and assembly facilities, of which 6 are located in India, 1 each in China, Mexico and USA, as well as 8 warehouses across India, USA, Germany and Belgium. SBPF has developed strong in-house capabilities to deliver evolving green technologies for future mobility. The company has long-standing relation of 15 years and more with 13 of the top 20 customers. As at March 31, 2021, SBPF has been awarded 58 programs from 27 customers across the product portfolio, from customers in India and overseas. Let us look at key concern areas. The company business is dependent on the performance of the automotive sector globally. Any adverse changes can impact business result of operations and financial conditions. Also, SBPF's business largely depend upon top 10 customers, and the loss of such customers or a significant reduction in purchase by such customers will have a significant adverse impact on the business. Pricing pressure from customers may affect the company's gross margin, profitability, and ability to increase prices. Now we look at its financial highlights and valuation. SBPF has strong operational performance in the last 3 to 4 years, which includes acquisition of Comstar entities. The company's net profit from continuing operations grew at 46.6% CAGR from FY19 to FY21, which was aided by 49.7% revenue CAGR and operating profit margin at 28.2% in FY21. At the IPO price band of Rs 285 to 291, the offer is valued at 76 to 77.6 times its FY21 EPS, considering the diluted equity at the upper and the lower price band. The company has a strong margin profile due to its critical component offerings in India as well as globally. In addition, the company makes superior return ratios. In FY21, the company's RONW stood at 16.5%, which was better than most of its peers. Now let us look at IPO details. Issue opens on Monday, June 14, 2021. Issue closes on Wednesday, June 16, 2021. Issue size is of Rs 5,550 crore. Face value is of Rs 10 per share. Price band 285 to 291 per share. Bid lot is 51 shares and in multiple thereof. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our IPO note or contact our nearest branch. It's been a pleasure bringing you the Sharekhan podcast as always. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchange and the terms and condition on www.sharekhan.com before investing.
Tune in again tomorrow for a new podcast on Sharekhan's 3-hour research actionable update. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.